Controversy continues to rock the Biafra and IPOB support base as prominent Imo State broadcaster and activist Nonso Nkwa, popularly known as Nonso Nkwa, has strongly criticized Lolo Nneka Chimezie, accusing her of deliberately tarnishing the image of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB. In a recent outburst that has gone viral, Nonso Nkwa described Lolo Nneka Chimezie as a new recruit, allegedly hired by the Nigerian government to undermine Kanu'S reputation and cause division within the Biafran struggle. Nonso Nkwa, known for his outspoken views on Igbo issues and human rights, did not mince words in his attack. He claimed Lolo Nneka's recent public statements and interviews, in which she has raised questions about IPOB leadership, Kanu'S family, and internal matters, are part of a calculated smear campaign. He allegedly labeled her actions as sabotage, aimed at weakening support for Kanu. Lolo Nneka Chimezie, National President of the Igbo Women Assembly, IWA, has been making several high-profile public appearances and broadcasts in recent weeks. She has addressed IPOB affairs, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's continued detention, and alleged internal confusion within the movement. Among her notable actions, Lolo Nneka visited Kanu in Sokoto prison, where she renewed calls for his unconditional release. She also interviewed Kanu's wife and urged the IPOB leader to distance himself from the Autopilot Movement, which she described as contributing to the prevailing insecurity in the southeast. While some supporters regard Lolo Nneka as a courageous voice advocating for transparency and accountability, others, including Nonso Nkwa, view her interventions as disruptive and potentially sponsored to discredit Kanu and fracture the struggle. Nonso Nkwa's sharp criticism underscores the extreme sensitivity surrounding any perceived attempt to question or undermine Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's image, particularly while he remains in prison. Meanwhile, the IPOB Directorate of State has maintained that its primary focus remains on the forthcoming Biafra Heroes Remembrance Day. The IPOB administrative body has urged all supporters to channel their energy toward the major memorial event scheduled for May 30 and to avoid distractions from internal controversies. As of now, Lolo Nneka Chimezie has not issued any direct public response to Nonso Nkwa's accusations.
I'm a very quick one. Igbo Women, Igbo Mneje Aba, Igbo Mneje Mano Mamano, Nkonye Chiri, Yazeru. Ewe beru gobere nke si ibe ya ebe na nkwukwa ya. Ọ na-ewute m na ndị Igbo ka na-agakwa n'ihu na-ada apari. Ọ na-ewute m na ụfọdụ ndị Igbo anyway na aka na-eyuzukwa ụfọdụ ndị Igbo na-emegide ụmụnne ha, na-akata ụmụnne ha, na-akọju ụmụnne ha. Aka na-eyuzukwa ụfọdụ ndị Igbo, some of ndị iche na ha ma ihe, some of ndị iche na ha nwere brain. So if ndị iche na ha adịla exposed to the things of the world, aka na-use kwe ha. Ọ bụrụ na ile the brain capacity of ndị na-ekwutọ Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, ị ga-ama na most of them wụcha non-entities, ndị dịka udele. Ị ga-ama na most of them wụcha non-entities, na-enwe ihe ha wụ, na-enwe ihe ha wụ. Even in their father's compound, they are nothing. They worth nothing. Check in Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. In their father's compound, in their community, they are worth nothing. So they are the people that whoever can easily use to castigate, tarnish the image of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But one thing I want to assure you, tarnish image Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that image is beyond tarnishment. That image is beyond tarnishment. Now, let's focus on their new recruit, Lolo Nneka, newly recruited to be tarnishing the image of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I was listening to her. Now, one radio station in Lagos, interview on me. Gegide mwanya. Oh, Wanya is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu merigene, otarijiki kotaredeg. Gede Mazi Nnamdi Kanu merig. IPOB, IPOB juru family business. IPOB juru family business. Onye na-ajụ ya say, are you a member of IPOB? Or say no. Niabro a member of IPOB. Then only here you can get IPOB, more family business, more public business, more commercial business, more private business. Only here you can get IPOB. If you're not a member, you don't have the right, the legal right, to ask of anything concerning an organization that you are not part of. Now, the issue of IPOB family member, Oga family member, Oga family business in Kegi, or give with the initiator, or give with the vision bearer, and a vision bearer in everything, and a vision bearer in everything. All the vision bearer get what put vision. Pokotazian dio zosimun na lekwe ni ihe choro ka ime lekwe tum shiri choro ka ide. Owa ha mpago ko wa ha maga ka ga eje register. Is it not the name of the family bearer, the vision bearer ka ga eje register? Also the vision bearer ya were ha mpe ya na mme ya mende corporate whatever na eme obasa hoge. It doesn't concern you. Ye magbago be eziokwu. Gicho, go and have your own vision. Register your own vision with your name and the name of your family members. But let's look at it. Who is even suffering? Who is even in prison now? Ole donya kuburule na DSS. Ole donya baralu le yoku. Onye ke eburu mpe ya buo mme. Onye ke eburu ndi na-eso ụzọ ya. Onye akwa Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Akwa ya na Sokoto prison, akwa uyanwa no kwa Sokoto prison. So le ho je ewutegi na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu register IPOB. It's a simple question. For instance now, na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu G family members ya register IPOB. Then another person that run a Sokoto prison. Let me repeat. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu register IPOB. Then another person now here wonye register IPOB and run a Sokoto prison. Then but the vision bearer is the one languishing in prison. The vision bearer was the one that stayed too long in DSS custody. The vision bearer was the one whose house was burnt. Parents died out of shock. Followers killed in Ibeko Maya. Go on, no register IPOB. Does it concern you? Are we talking of IPOB here, or are we talking of the entire vision for Ndibo? Why are you focusing on IPOB if you're not a greedy fellow? Why are you focusing on the finances of IPOB? You are a criminal. IPOB is not a government organization. It is not a state government or federal government where you have the right to question how they use their finances. And again, you are not a member. And again, you are not a member. I want to see, okay, be a member of IPOB, which means in our two Jews, in our total, at least I think with a go later on IPOB, you get with a go later on IPOB. Then you have the right to question how the finances are being managed. Now I got them. You would only IPOB in our total there. You would remember in our total, in everything. Financially, you are stable. Financially, you are up to date. Then when you have the right to ask, Egonde ani na anye na do. Egonde ani nem na do. Ole be she mega gini, be she hashigeye. Ole be she kedu ke she jikwa the money. You want that right? Lolo Nneka ewu onye IPOB. Lolo Nneka onwe di ihe gbasara gị na IPOB. Lolo Nneka isi na ewu journalist. Ama modern journalist ga pụta Tarnish we image Nnamdi Kanu. They've recruited you. You cannot suffer half of ihe Nnamdi Kanu tara ahụ here n'obodo abụ Nigeria. Ibido na akọheri. Nwanyị. Ojikwe nwanyị. Nwanyị achịkwa. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu achụhụ nwanyị. O nwoke ka ọ ga-achụ. Ọ gwara gị na homo. Otu m nọ na ma achụhụ nwanyị. O nwoke ka m ga-achụ. Ị na-ezuzu. Anya ọ na-eshi gị mmiri. Ị na-awụ ya ala. Mba nwoke achụrụ nwanyị. Gbasịa m ihe nwoke ya achụ. Nwoke ya achụ nwoke ibie. They have recruited you, the new recruit. They are outdated. They have expired. Go on with the new game now, the new catch, the new energy. Gena fully elu. You can never tarnish the image of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. A man that has sacrificed his freedom for Igbo. A man that have toiled and suffered for Igbo. Criminals Ndoshi, they mesmerized the Southeast, using in the leaders of the Southeast. All cause for this problem. Insecurity in the Southeast, will leaders of the Southeast cause here? Nnamdi Kanu. For years, ESN on Imo here, nobody have the problem again of the Fulani herdsmen doing this, doing that. Ejirindo criminals, ndo jabel yozu to blackmail ESN. Abu okpom Imo here ha pụta n'ụzọ jumo onye na-egbu. Ashino ESN gburu. Awu mejiwo nwa afọ Igbo. And I can never deny Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Lekwe ihe Gumi no na-ezuzugharị na-ekwu. Gumi was even saying that Kana-Akwu, nde bandits, their ransom, that they are using it to be buying their weapons. Gumi Kuriye, Gumi Ogala DSS mba. Police men invite mba. Military men invite mba. One no yabara Gumi Akwa na court mba. Gumi elebo kwesịrị nọ now na prison, but on here mba. Even the leaders of the North are protecting Boko Haram. The leaders of the North are protecting ISIS, ISWAP, bandits, they are protecting them. Iba Hakaron has it, our brothers. Iba Hakaron has our prodigal brothers. Iba Hakaron has it, our prodigal sons. But all unu undi bokage use against your own. Unege wonu oge kwinyo. Ihere megbunu. Ihere megbunu. See what bandits are doing. You want to tell me that the governors of the North cannot stop what bandits are doing? Even in America, but where they were. Sultan of Sokoto Lebanon now. Where in there? Kambe Shihonia, in Unolie. Kambe Shaha to Chalayan, the America to Chalayan in December. Na Sokoto. You don't see the man again? Ihonia also. Ndama Heha Mega. The amalgamation of Nigeria shouldn't have happened. Because when Heji Korain and da. When Heji Korain and do culturally, language, by whatever, when Heji Korain and there. But because of Anyuku Britain, because of Oceanuku Britain, Nkamanya Britain, Helen Dugun and Dodin, and then when Heji Koraha, then when her sister Jikoraha, Jikohono. That is the problem and the foundational problem we are facing in Nigeria today. So if you don't know it today. Stop tarnishing the image of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu or any Igbo son or daughter that is supporting agitation. All right, a real woman a dog. Makando's akagego. I'm an akagego because some of Ndibo won't that really ego. So badro. She go kuwenu. But remember this. Onyo obula nyerege ego. Kire nwanne gi will not trust you. Because ebi nwere obi re nwanne gi. Owusi nyanwa na onwe ewu onye mba. Wu onye eji ke ga here. It's a very short proverb. Ya wuru ka wuru ilulu. Lolo Nneka, the new recruit of ndị na-akparị Nnamdi Kanu. Mune ga n'ihu. Ụbọchị nta a ga-achụkwa ya n'Owere nchi. Ihe onye metere ya jiri isi eburu. Akụkata aka n'obi egosi ndị mmụọ ebe ndị nọ mmadụ mana matakwa amata na okenye anaghị anọ n'ụlọ ewu ama n'ọgbụrụ Igbo mma mmanụ